Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Our today's topic is about carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are broadly defined as polyhydroxyaldehydes or ketones and their derivatives or as substances that yields one of these compounds. It is composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Functional groups present include hydroxyl groups. O indicates sugar. A carbohydrate is a molecule consisting of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms, usually with a hydrogen oxygen atom ratio of 2 is to 1, as in water. In water, the formula of water is H2O. The ratio between hydrogen and oxygen is 2 is to 1. And thus, with the empirical formula CmH2ON, where M may or may not be different from N. The term is most common in biochemistry, where it is a synonym of saccharide, a group that includes sugar, starch, and cellulose. The saccharides are divided into four chemical groups: monosaccharides, disaccharides, oligosaccharides, and polysaccharides. It is a carbohydrate. It consists of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The chemical structures of carbohydrates contain carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. The basic compounds make up carbohydrates. Aldehydes, which are double bonded carbon and oxygen atoms plus a hydrogen atom, and ketones, which are double bonded carbon and oxygen atoms plus two additional carbon atoms. Carbohydrates can combine to form polymers or chains to create different types of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates can be monosaccharides, disaccharides, or polysaccharides. Monosaccharides, mono means one, contains 1 unit of sugar. Disaccharides, di means 2, containing 2 units of sugar. Poly means many, and in polysaccharides contain many units of sugars. Example of monosaccharide are glucose, fructose, galactose. Example of disaccharides: maltose, sucrose, and lactose. Example of polysaccharides: starch, glycogen, cellulose. Now, monosaccharides. Monosaccharides are single units of sugar. Example include glucose, the body's main source of energy; galactose, which is most readily available in milk and dairy products; fructose, which mostly occurs in fruits and vegetables. Example of monosaccharides. The formula of monosaccharides: C6H12O6. Number 1, glucose, energy source for cells. It is the structure of glucose, the open structure and cyclic structure. Fructose, sugar in fruit. In fructose, ketonic group is present. Carbon is bonded with oxygen by double bond and bonded with two other carbon atom. The ring structure of fructose and galactose, sugar in milk. Is the structure of galactose. Now disaccharides. Disaccharides are two sugar molecules joined together. Example include lactose found in milk, which is made up of glucose and galactose. Sucrose or table sugar, which is made up of glucose and fructose. Disaccharide, two molecules of glucose joined together by glycosidic linkage. Example of disaccharides. Number 1, maltose, malt sugar, which is formed by two molecules of glucose linked by a glycosidic linkage. Sucrose, table sugar, formed by glucose and fructose. And lactose, milk sugar, formed by glucose and galactose. Now polysaccharides. Polysaccharides are chains of many sugars. They can consist of hundreds or thousands of monosaccharides. Polysaccharides act as food stores for plants and animals. Examples include number 1, glycogen, which stores energy in the liver and muscles. Number 2, starch, which are abundant in potatoes, rice, and wheat. Number 3, cellulose, one of the main structural components of plants. Polysaccharides, cellulose, chitin, peptidoglycan. Polysaccharides may be straight chains, that is amylose, and branch chains. Glycogens, highly branched chains polysaccharides. In human, energy is stored in the form of glycogen, which is highly branched chains polysaccharides. It is the structure of cellulose, straight chain polysaccharides found in cell walls of plants. It is a straight chain molecule in which hydrogen bond is present. Peptidoglycan found in cell walls of bacteria. It is also an example of polysaccharides. Now, sources of carbohydrates. Common foods with carbohydrates include grains such as bread, noodles, pasta, crackers, cereals, and rice. Fruits such as apples, bananas, berries, mangoes, melons, and oranges. Dairy products such as milk and yogurt. Legumes including dried beans, lentils, and peas. Snack foods and sweets such as cakes, cookies, candy, and other desserts. Juices, regular sodas, fruit drinks, sports drinks, and energy drinks that contain sugar. Starchy vegetables such as potatoes, corn, and peas. Some foods don't have a lot of carbohydrates, such as meat, fish, poultry, some types of cheese, nuts, and oils. Now, functions of carbohydrates. It provides energy. Provide energy for daily activity. Provide energy to allow proper organ function. Provide the energy of life. Bodies need major source of energy, varying length of energy. Now, energy supply for body function, essential for the oxidation of fats, proteins sparing action, provide carbon for synthesis of non-essential amino acids, are present in some tissues constituents, add flavor to diet, nucleic acid of connective tissue matrix, galactoside of nerve tissue. These are the important function of carbohydrates. Energy supply, brain to cell, spare proteins, synthesis of substances, non-essential amino acids, glycoproteins and glycolipids. Promote complete lipid metabolism, provide bulk fiber in the diet. Now, quote of the day. The loneliness of a man is better for him than having an evil companion. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.